Good morning, guys. So I'm super stoked. I did something for the first time. I had to follow a bunch of tutorials. It wasn't super easy, but it's still something I'm pretty excited about. So I was following a tutorial, and it's an old one. And um, anyways, if you don't know the history of Flappy Birds, it's a game that was super popular years ago. In fact, it was so popular that the developer stopped releasing it because he was making so much money that there were some weird things happening. But you can see that the premise of the game is that you're a bird and you tap the screen and you fly through pipes and you get points, and then the game ends as soon as you uh, run into a pipe. Uh, it's a really cool story, and you have to check it out. But that's not the exciting part. The exciting part is I figured out how to put it on my phone. Not really figured out, but more um, was able to. So you can see it's got a little icon, and when I tap the screen, I can play the game on my phone. So that's really cool. I've never done that before, um, but the I guess the best part is using Godot, the game engine that I've talked about. All of this stuff is completely free. With the Game Maker, to be able to export to an Android, you have to actually buy a module. It's fairly expensive to do so. Godot, totally free. You can make games and you can play them on your phone. So I was just really excited about that. Thought I would share it with you. And if you're super bored and looking for something to do, look up the history of Flappy Bird. It's once in a lifetime type of story about game design success and all kinds of things. In fact, the one of the key weird things about it is people were selling their phones that had Flappy Bird downloaded on it for thousands more than the phone is worth. Crazy story. Thanks for watching.